Hey, my name is Dr. Chelle. Welcome to the Dr. Test Prep YouTube channel. I am feeling full of joy right now. Remember in the first video on this playlist, talked about the importance of Unit 8 because there are close to, it's not coming up, there you go, 26 to 30 questions that the strategies and techniques I teach you to use the Desmos calculator, you can get help with. So this is like a really critical unit playlist. And what makes me so excited is we're almost done. We have 2 videos left. We're on the last lesson of Unit 8, and I am ecstatic. All right, let's look at number 1. The roots of a polynomial are x equals 1, x equals -2, and x equals 3. Identify a function that corresponds with these roots. So I have the Desmos calculator open. I'm choosing Assessment College Board. Now, you might just know switch the signs. I'm going to pretend you didn't know that so I can show you my techniques. So we are just going to write x equals 1, x equals -2, and x equals 3. And so those 3 lines represent where we want our points to cross. So let's type in the first function. F of x equals x plus 2, x minus 1, and x minus 3. Oh, that's the right answer. Letter A. Okay, how do I know it's the right answer? Because the graph goes through all 3 points. Let me show you a wrong answer. Let's look at letter B. Letter B has the 2 is negative. Notice how it goes through 2 points, but it doesn't go through this line over here. So that's why it's not that one. If I had made these to be positive, like choice C, we can see again, it goes through 2 of them, but not the one that's red. Okay, so that's how that works. All right, let's just go on to number 2. That was cool. I love when it's letter A, right? What is the product of the roots of the following function? So we could do old school, try to factor and all that kind of fun stuff, or we can type it into Desmos, which is what we're going to do. When we type it into Desmos, we see that we have 3 roots. So we're going to write down our 3 roots. We have -4, we have -1, and we have +1. And it wants the product. Product means multiply. So in Desmos, I'm doing -4 times -1 times 1. Answer 4. Yay! All right, how many distinct roots does this function have? Remember, a root is when it crosses the x-axis for our purposes. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4 roots. That video took 2 minutes and 55 seconds. My intro was longer than the work. I'll see you in our last video for Unit 8. Bye, guys.